Hi everyone, good afternoon. Itong nakikita nyo, yung RRA. And for today, compilation to ng afternoon to evening ko. Pwede na rin, midnight. Kasi nagpupuyat ako minsan. For a week to. Ngayon, gumagawa ko ng parang plans, to-do list ko. Like here, normal paper kasi wala na akong ganito. Ano ba tawag dyan? Basta sticky note. Yeah, wala na yung sticky note. So, ito na lang. So, and yun nga. Kita niyo yung mga gagawin. Ayan. Habang nanonood ng hindi. Oo, kasi nasa YouTube yung podcast. Ayan, yung podcast by Not Angel. I love YouTube channel. Podcast siya. Promise. Nilalagay nila to sa Spotify.
And I'm not ready to hear it. I think it's established. It's not hard. First of all, yes, it is. Versus egg moment. You gain weight because of PCOS, but you need to get rid of PCOS by losing weight, but PCOS makes you gain weight, and then you have to lose weight. It's so complicated. Struggle has always been skin and acne, and I would empathize with this in a
Itong nakikita nyo, yung RRA. Ano yan? Hand-drawn. Haha. Kasi hindi ko mahanap yung original na font niya na ganito. Wait, gonna show you. Like this. Ayan. Ayan. Ito. Hindi ko mahanap kung anong font yan. So, ginawa ko sa Ibis Paint. Tada! Not perfect, but at least meron na. Yun. Ito. Tada! Ito yung sinasabi kong specifications. Yan. Hindi ko pa napapalitan yun yung original dito. Ito, gagawin ko na yung cover page niya. Bago ako magluluto ng dinner. Tada! Yan. I'm doing the bleaching of the jeans. And yan siya, oh. Hindi siya nag-bleach. Hindi umiiba yung kulay ng tela niya. Pinapatuyo ko ngayon. And, tinesting ko dito sa jeans talaga. Na pants. Like this, oh. Dapat magiging ganito siya. Pero ito man siya, oh. Hindi. Hindi kasi siya jeans. Islak siya. So, yeah. Buti hindi pa ako inaantok and makakagawa pa ng ibang schoolworks. Currently, it's 12:12 a.m. and I'm finding a site for my desk project, which is a multi-sensory wellness center, and I hope bukas sa checking, okay yung ideas ko. Medyo okay naman yung ideas ko. Bukas kasi magpapacheck kami sa instructor namin. And yeah, baka matutulog na rin ako mamaya-maya. So yun. This is our town, Pinili. kakagising ko lang and it's currently 11:18 p.m. and I'm doing our group presentation. Hindi naman ako yung gumawa lahat, but I'm doing my part, ganun, kasi kakagising ko lang talaga. Cause puyat ako gabi. Yun nga. Yung ginawa ko. Here. Ayan. Hahanap ako ng mga pictures for our presentation. So, ngayon, it's currently 11 p.m. again. Bali, hindi ako natulog. Ginawa ko tong enhancement nung split ko. Hindi ko na ni-record because my mind is super busy. Iniisip itong mga ideas ko. And, ngayong oras is nagawin ko naman yung part ko sa reporting bukas sa Soksai namin. It's about light and colors. Ganun. From my fears to my grins.
Real flames. Real flavors.
Yes, I'll always wonder. Hi everyone, it's Saturday. So, ginagawa ko lang ngayon is searching some related projects for my AIDA entry yung sa design plate namin. So, yun. I think magpupuyat ako ngayon cause 8:30 daw yung klase namin bukas and lecture time and my event sa 1 p.m. and I need to be present there bukas kasi officer ako. So, yeah. Here, what I'm doing. Ta-da! Hi everyone, good evening. It's Monday and kakauwi ko lang. It's currently 6:41 p.m. and pawis na pawis ako. Tara! Ayan ba? May headband pa ako. Yay! Tapos na ang event! Kasi may version 1 ako nito noong last school year din na pageant. Kunti na lang tong pineapple juice ko. So, ubusin ko na. This is my pineapple juice. Hi! It's currently 2:47 and I'm reviewing for our PPR subject kasi nakatulog ako kaninang mga 8 ata or 9, mga ganun. Kasi hindi ko na kinaya yung pagod sa event. So, I'm catching up. I'm gonna review. Oh.